The 1K a Day Fast Track Review. What is 1K a Day Fast Track? This is an instructional training course that has gained publicity because of its simplicity and effectiveness in teaching people to make money through affiliate marketing. The tactic here is to promote products that other people own and get a commission from it. The author, Merlin Holmes, promises that even beginners can benefit from this product. They can earn a huge amount of more than $1,000 every day using the simply explained methods. The instructions and methods are generally sent through email messages and on a simple 2-page website. How does the 1K a Day Fast Track system work? According to the author, the program relies on affiliate marketing to earn the money. Firstly, affiliate marketing is a legit method of earning money. The method allows people to make money by promoting other people's products through unique links known as affiliate links. When consumers click on your affiliate links to buy the product, the marketer will earn an affiliate commission through the links. The author claims that this is his favorite method of earning money. He continues to explain that there are equally many other ways of doing this. You can build your own website and create content to promote the specific products by on-site advertisement or sharing your affiliate links. Besides owning a site, there are many other methods of earning commissions through affiliate marketing without having a website. Most affiliate marketers use YouTube marketing or social media marketing to advertise their affiliate products. What does the 1K a Day Fast Track include? This 6-week step-by-step guide has all the details potential affiliate marketers need to make money through affiliate marketing. The 6 weeks module contains the below topics and subtopics. How to get quick $400 commission during the first few days as a beginner. Setting up more commission accounts and putting everything in place. Development of your first poll. Creating your automated selling systems. Creating your first money-making ad. Planning out future income streams and much more. The topics and subtopics are divided up in a 6-week time frame. What I liked about 1K a Day Fast Track system. It's legit. It's about affiliate marketing which has been proven to work. The author is legit. The interactive landing pages are an effective method of making money through affiliate marketing. The free webinar teaches you new methods of making money. The tricks are easy and straightforward. What are my final thoughts on the 1K a Day Fast Track system? 1K a Day Fast Track is not a scam. It is a legit program that will teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing using simple, interactive landing pages and email automation, but the program is a bit expensive and is not for everyone in my opinion. Register for the free webinar today by clicking the link in the description.